If you've ever wondered why some women naturally command respect in dating while others keep getting walked over, here's the truth. It's not luck, it's not looks, it's boundaries. High-value women set boundaries with grace and confidence, and men love them for it. Men aren't drawn to women who say yes to everything, who tolerate disrespect, or who allow inconsistent effort. They're drawn to women who have self-respect, emotional discipline, and standards. Why? Because boundaries signal value. They show that she respects her time, her energy, and herself, and a man instinctively respects a woman who does that. When a woman has clear boundaries, she becomes a challenge in the best possible way. Not because she plays games, but because she doesn't overextend herself for someone who hasn't earned that access. Her love feels exclusive, intentional, and earned, and that makes it far more powerful. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 10 ways women unknowingly show they have weak boundaries in dating and how to replace them with strong, self-respecting ones. This isn't about playing games, it's about power and peace. If you recognize yourself in any of these patterns, don't worry. You're not broken. You're just under-boundaried, and today we're going to change that. Okay, number 1. Have you ever said yes to a date, a favor, or even just a conversation when you really wanted to say no? Maybe you didn't want to upset him, or you didn't want to seem rude. Instead, a high-value woman would say, "I appreciate the offer, but that doesn't work for me." Clear, kind, no guilt. 2. Are you waiting around for his texts, even though they come hours or days apart? That's you tolerating inconsistent communication. A high-value woman only matches the effort she's given. If it's not consistent, she pulls away and protects her energy. 3. Have you ever let something disrespectful slide? Maybe he made a joke at your expense or dismissed your feelings and you said nothing? A high-value woman calmly speaks up the first time. That didn't sit right with me. If it happens again, she creates distance. 4. Do you drop everything for last-minute plans just because he finally texted you? That's not spontaneous, that's poor boundaries. Instead, try, "Thanks for thinking of me, but I need more notice. Let's plan something properly next time." 5. Have you ever seen red flags but convinced yourself he would change, that your love would fix him? A high-value woman doesn't ignore her gut. She observes, she steps back, she protects her peace. 6. Are you overgiving, doing everything, planning everything, supporting him emotionally while getting very little back? That's trying to earn love. High-value women give in proportion to what they receive. They don't prove. They don't chase. They align. 7. Have you ever avoided a hard conversation because you didn't want to seem too much? A high-value woman is direct and calm. She says, "This is what I want in a relationship. If we're not aligned, that's okay, but I won't pretend." 8. Have you ever slept with a man before you felt emotionally secure, hoping the connection would grow after? A high-value woman waits until she feels respected, safe, and valued. Her intimacy is earned, not given out of pressure or fear. 9. Did you take someone back after he ghosted you or cheated just because he said sorry? A high-value woman doesn't open the door for words. She looks for consistent change, and often she chooses to keep the door closed. 10. Do you feel great when he's giving you attention and worthless when he's distant? That's placing your worth in his hands. A high-value woman stays rooted. She validates herself. His energy doesn't define her value. If you recognized yourself in any of those, this is your wake-up call, not to shame you, to empower you. The high-value woman lives by her standards. She's not cold or aggressive. She's clear. She's kind but firm. She knows her peace is priceless and she protects it. She doesn't demand respect. She earns it by respecting herself first. Let me know in the comments which one of these you're working on. And if you want a part 2 where I show you how to hold these boundaries with love and confidence, let me know. Being high value isn't about being perfect. It's about being honest with yourself, choosing your peace, and never settling for crumbs. This is how magnetic women move. And now it's how you move too. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you never miss a new one. You've got this.